Chains broken, a journey back to grace. I will never forget the day Samuel walked back through the church doors. It was as if a weary soldier had returned from a long and losing war. His shoulders were bent under an invisible weight, his eyes clouded like a sky before the storm. And yet, there was something in his step, hesitant, trembling, but moving forward. Years earlier, Samuel's heart burned bright for God. He was like a tree planted by rivers of water, rooted, green, full of life. The word flowed from his lips like a fresh stream, and Jesus Christ was his greatest treasure. But the serpent's whispers are soft. A small compromise here, a small neglect of prayer there. Sin did not come to Samuel like a roaring lion. It came like a slow shadow at sunset, stealing light bit by bit. The conscious truth within him began to fade. The voice of God became faint. And soon, Samuel's heart wandered far from the shepherd. I met him once on a street corner, late at night. The man who once radiated joy now looked like a prisoner in invisible chains. Those chains were not made of iron, but of guilt, shame, addiction. The devil had wrapped him tightly, whispering, "This is who you are now. There is no going back." One night, Samuel lay on the cold floor of his apartment. Darkness pressed against him like a heavy cloak. With shaking hands and a voice cracked by tears, he cried, "God, if you are still there, save me. I cannot fight anymore." It was not a polished prayer. It was a cry from the pit. But heaven hears such cries. In the stillness, Samuel's eyes fell on a Bible, dusty, forgotten, yet alive with the breath of God. When he opened it, his eyes met these words, "If the Son sets you free, you will be free indeed." John 8 verse 36. The verse struck him like a hammer against the chains. He realized his prison door had always been unlocked. Jesus Christ had paid for his freedom long ago. The shame, the addiction, the fear, they were ropes of smoke compared to the power of the cross. From that night, Samuel began to walk back toward God. It was not an instant escape. Chains break link by link. The enemy shouted reminders of his past, but Samuel learned to answer with the word, "I am redeemed. I am washed. I am his." And one by one, the chains fell. The weight lifted. The light returned. Now, Samuel stands before others, telling them, "Sin will dress itself like a friend but will always lead you into slavery. Only Jesus Christ can break your chains. His grace is stronger than your past. His love runs deeper than your shame." And as I listened, I knew this was not just Samuel's story. It was the story of every soul the shepherd has carried home on his shoulders. A story of chains broken and a journey back to grace.